Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need a birthday card first. So let's create one with ChatGPT. So remember here I'm using ChatGPT 4. Rather than you going to Microsoft Word or going to look for templates online to create birthday card or gift to your friend or to yourself, you can use ChatGPT to do that. So I'm using ChatGPT 4. For all the model that you pay for. So here's the prompt that you can use. You can ask ChatGPT to write a short, funny birthday card message for a friend turning 30. Then you hit enter. ChatGPT will go ahead and create that for you just nicely. Look at that. It has created the front of the card. Welcome to level 30. Inside message, congrats, you are officially 30, old enough to know better, young enough to do it anyway. But now with back pain, cheers to the 3 decades of questionable decisions and excellent stories. So let's make more. Happy birthday. So you can even ask it to create it as an image, create it as an image. Then ChatGPT will go ahead and create your card. Then you can be able to download it because it will give you a different design. Here it's creating your image. Then you can be able also to edit your image and show which areas you want to make sure that they appear on your card. It takes some time, but you give it time based on the speed of your net. So once our image is created, we can be able now to also see the areas that we want to edit and also add information or refine it for it to look kind of better. Yeah, so we just give it a little time. Once it's done creating, we can be able to see. So here is our image being created. A very nice one coming up. Welcome to that. Just giving you some emojis right there. Then it's continuing creating your image. So here is our image, well created. You can see it has given us welcome to level 30. It is giving us some emojis in there. You can even click on it to just expand it and see, look at it well. So if you want to add some few features in your image to make sure that now you have the desired image for yourself, to make sure that it comes out the best, you can personalize your card, even using other prompts, like for example, make it look kind of nice. If you want to add images in here, just upload the image. Then you can go ahead and right click on the image and copy the image and send to your friends, or as well you can just download it using this download button down here. Then you save it, or you can as well share it as a link using the share button here. You share through the LinkedIn, the Reddit, download, you can download it, then the link and all that. And that's how you can be creative. So it's fast, free, and creative. Try it yourself and let ChatGPT save the day. So like, comment, and subscribe for more AI life hacks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.